Teachers can send messages to whole classes, individual students, or other teachers. To send a message to a student or teacher, click the Messages icon on the dashboard. Select Compose. Fill in the subject and message. Set an expiry for the message. To find an individual student, begin typing the name to bring up students with an account. Messages can also be sent to a whole class by choosing Students in a Class from the Recipients field and selecting a class from the drop-down field. Click Send. Students will receive notification of a message when they next log in.